Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
What's your name?
My name is Thanh.
Hello. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
What color do you like?
I like yellow.
Me too. What animal do you like?
I like bird.
Very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
What's this?
Apple.
Yes.
Boy.
Yes.
Cat.
Yes.
Dog.
Yes.
Ants. Friend.
Yes.
Girl.
Yes.
Hat.
Very good.
Insect. Charm. Kite. Lion. Man. Nose. Orange. Pencil.
Very good.
Queen. Drink. Sun. Teacher. Up. Violin. Woman. Fox.
Very good.
Yo-yo. Zebra.
Very good. Okay, art class. I have
Paper.
Yes.
I have glue.
Yes.
I have scissors.
Very good.
I have paper.
Yes. I have
I have a pencil.
Yes.
I have a pen.
Yes.
I have a crayon.
Yes.
I have a marker.
Very, very good. It's
Red.
It's red, yeah.
It's blue.
Yeah, you don't need to say it's blue. It's
Yellow.
very good.
It's green.
Yes.
It's orange.
Yes.
It's purple.
Very good.
It's pink.
Yes.
It's brown.
Very, very good. Toys. It's
a balloon.
Yes.
It's a ball.
Yes.
It's a dog.
Yes.
It's a yo-yo.
Yes.
It's a train.
Yes.
It's a pole.
Yes.
It's a jet.
Yes.
It's a car.
Very good. Food. What's this?
Milk.
Yes.
Water.
Yes.
Bread.
Yes.
Rice.
Rice. Very good.
Candy.
Yes.
Pink.
Yes.
Kitchen.
Chicken.
Fish.
Do you like chicken?
Yes, I do.
That's right. Do you like fish?
Yes, I do.
Do you like water?
Yes, I do.
Do you like bread?
Yes, I do.
Do you like candy?
No, I don't.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Let's look at things to do.
Walk.
Yes.
Run.
Yes.
Keep.
Yes.
Jump. Swing. Dance. Sing.
Dance.
Wink.
Very good. Can you sing?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
No, I can.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
Very good. Let's look at animals. What animal is this? It's
It's a goat.
Yes.
It's a duck.
Very good.
It's a horse.
Very good.
It's a cow.
Very good.
It's a cat.
Very good.
It's a dog.
Very good.
It's a bird.
Very good.
It's a rabbit.
Excellent. Okay, how many horses are there?
2 horses.
How many dogs are there?
4 dogs.
Yes, how many ducks are there?
3 ducks.
Yes. How many cows are there?
5 cows.
Yes. How many birds are there?
6 birds.
Yes. How many cats are there?
3 birds.
Cats.
3 cats.
That's right. Very good. Okay, your body. What's this?
A nose.
Yes.
A face.
Yes.
A mouth.
Yes.
Arms.
An arm. That's right.
A leg.
Yes.
A hand.
Yes.
Eyes.
Yes.
Ears.
Very good. I can touch my
I can touch my nose.
Yes.
I can touch my eyes.
Yes.
I can touch my ears.
Yes.
I can touch my mouth.
Yes.
I can clap my hands.
Very good.
I can stomp my feet.
Very good.
I can swing my arms.
Very good.
I can shake my legs.
Very good. That's the end. Thank you very much.